Hi everyone, I'm Raghav and this is my Unity Advanced Self Round 1 Mat-1, and today I'm going to discuss the following two questions. Question first is, in game you are making, you have 50 enemies and 10 NPCs. Once the level is finished, you need to perform some set of actions over them, like disabling them or destroying them. Which design pattern is best for this case? Question second is, explain the design pattern which you answered above, and third is, explain difference between event action delegates func, unity events and unity actions. So coming to the first question, in this particular case, I would definitely use observer design pattern. So the observer, why I would use this observer design pattern is because there are 50 enemies and 10 NPCs, and once the level is finished, I need to disable them. So there can be multiple things other than disabling them as well. Like when the level is finished, I have to display a UI screen on top of the player or disable the player as well. So multiple scripts need to access this particular trigger that level is finished. So I would definitely use observer design pattern in this case. So what is observer design pattern? So observer design pattern is a behavioral design pattern. It defines one to many dependencies between objects. So once the object changes its state, all the other dependencies are notified and updated automatically. So coming to the next question is, what are delegates, actions, func, and events and unity events and actions? So delegates is a C# type that represents reference to the methods. So it is used to create references to the methods and pass them around as parameters and store them in a data structure. So what are actions? Action is a predefined delegate type in system namespace. So it represents delegate with no parameters or with a return and return a void return type. But we can use generic actions to represent action with a specific number of parameters. So next is func. So func is a predefined delegate type in system namespace as well. So it represents a delegate that takes parameters and has a return value. So the last type of parameter in func is usually used to represent return type of the func. So next is events. So events in C# is higher level abstraction on top of delegates. So it allows one class to notify the other classes about the changes. So events use delegates as their underlying mechanism, but add restriction to control how subscribers can interact with them. And next is Unity events and Unity actions. So Unity events and Unity actions are similar to C# events and actions. So Unity events can be used to create events in Unity that are serialized in inspector, making them easy to assign methods in them. And Unity actions is often used as delegate type for Unity events. So that's all. Thank you so much.